Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening the exact browser you used in incognito mode, because different apps handle private sessions differently. Tap the incognito or private icon to view open private tabs. Once done, close each incognito tab manually to end the session. Make sure to check downloads and saved bookmarks. Those can remain even after closing private tabs. If you used multiple browser apps, repeat this process for each one. And remember that closing the app alone may not remove downloaded files or saved pages. Next, remove residual traces by clearing browser data in System Settings. Go to Settings, then Apps, find your browser, and open Storage to clear cache, and if you accept, clear data. This deletes local session remnants, so make sure bookmarks are backed up first. Then open your Downloads app or file manager and delete any files saved while in incognito mode. Once removed, empty the trash or recycle folder. If you used another browser or a separate download location, repeat these steps there to ensure nothing remains. Finally, restart your Vivo phone and reopen the browser to confirm that private tabs are gone and downloads are deleted. If you still see signs of incognito history, update or reinstall the browser. Sometimes cached data survives until an app reinstall removes it. Also check synced accounts. Sign out of Chrome or other browsers to prevent cloud-synced history from restoring items. If problems continue, revoke storage permissions, run a quick antivirus scan, and then repeat the clear data steps to ensure a clean state.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.